Ever used a tablet that feels more like paper than glass? The kind that's gentle on your eyes even after hours of use? TCL is bringing something different to the table, literally. The NXTPAPER 11 Plus isn't chasing big specs or flashy designs, but it's offering a kind of comfort that most tablets overlook. Now, when it comes to everyday tablets, most brands stick to the same formula. Big screen, loud speakers, decent performance, and that's it. But TCL seems to have taken a step back and asked, what do real users actually need for long sessions of reading, browsing, or attending online classes? And that's where the NXTPAPER 11 Plus steps in, blending screen comfort, decent specs, and smart utility in a surprisingly affordable package. If we talk about the design, it's impressively thin at 6.5 millimeters and weighs just under 500 grams. That's light enough to hold with one hand while you sip your coffee or take notes during a lecture. The build feels solid, and TCL has even added IP54 splash resistance, helpful for clumsy hands or light drizzle moments. But let's be honest, what really sets this tablet apart is the NXTPAPER display. Unlike typical bright LCD panels, this one has a paper-like texture. It cuts down on glare, reduces eye strain, and gives you a matte-like finish that's honestly soothing for long reading sessions or note-taking. If you're someone who binge reads PDFs or uses digital textbooks, this feels like a breath of fresh air. It supports stylus input too, so writing or sketching feels more natural, especially for students and creatives. When we get into performance, the Helio G100 chipset with 8GB or 12GB RAM is enough for apps like Google Docs, YouTube, Zoom, and even light gaming. It's not a powerhouse, but for the average user, it gets the job done without hiccups. Android 15 is on board, with one major update promised, which might feel a bit limiting in the long run. Just something to keep in mind. Now we talk about battery. It's loaded with an 8,000 mAh cell and supports 33-watt fast charging. Realistically, you can expect it to last a full day or more, even with mixed use. Charging from 0 to full doesn't take forever either, which is a big plus. The cameras, both front and back, are 8 megapixels, nothing fancy, but they're good enough for video calls or scanning documents. There's no SIM slot, so it's a Wi-Fi only tablet, but it supports fast dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3 for accessories. TCL also added 4 speakers, which means watching content is actually enjoyable with clear, balanced audio. Whether you're watching tutorials, listening to audiobooks, or just relaxing with a show, it feels immersive without needing headphones. If we sum it up, the TCL NXTPAPER 11 Plus isn't trying to impress with specs. It's trying to fit into your daily life comfortably. For students, readers, or anyone who works on a screen for hours, this display alone is a game changer. It might not be the most powerful tablet out there, but it's definitely one of the most practical and eye-friendly. At €250, it offers value where it truly matters: comfort, usability, and simplicity. As one user rightly said, a good screen isn't always about sharpness or brightness. Sometimes it's about how easy it is on your eyes. And that's exactly what TCL got right with this one.